large national food services company needed a robust network across 85 locations, including offices, warehouses, and cold storage. The project aimed to design, deploy, and optimize a secure Cisco network. This involved site assessments, RF surveys, and network design using Cisco Access Points, switches, routers, and firewalls. Our engineering team documented signal strength, noise, and airtime saturation for RF planning and validation. Specialized AP enclosures addressed cold storage challenges. The network supported warehouse automation, inventory tracking, and voice-over Wi-Fi. VLAN segmentation and firewall policies ensured security. Post-installation surveys confirmed performance, optimizing channel plans and power settings. The result was a high-performance, scalable network enhancing operations and productivity. It provided seamless wireless coverage, improved security, and ensured future scalability for expansion without major redesigns. Provision is an industry leader in Wi-Fi engineering, network optimization, and automation.